Educational development has been a main feature of the Thanen Satra institution. It was emphasized that the devotees residing in the Thaner Satra have all-round development. They are trained in preparation of manuscript and paint in the Sankari art form. In the earlier days, all the manuscripts were prepared by hand. So the scriptures had to be copied. The devotees were trained in this craft. Apart from that, they were trained in carpentry, sculpture making, etc. In any carpentry work inside the Satra, only the devotees residing inside the Satra were engaged. It is a notable feature that no outside laborers have to be engaged in any work that takes place in the Thaner Satra. All the devotees are self-sufficient in this respect. The Thaner Satra institution is also renowned for another very important aspect. Srimanta Sankardeva initiated local area administration through this institution. The main features of local area administration like equality, honorary responsibility, non-professional administration are all present in the management structure of the Thaner Satra institution. So, this institution has been a remarkable contribution of Assam to the entire world. It is open for all the communities, irrespective of caste and creed. People of any caste can enter the Satra and can become devotees affiliated to that particular Satra. Of course, to reside permanently, they have to be of more dedication. Most of the resident devotees are celibates. Householder devotees are also there in some satras. This feature of equality is not confined only to the devotees. There are several satras in Assam which have tribal persons as the head, that is Satradhikar. So the Thaner Satra institution is a remarkable institution in entire India.